Abhi is preparing to bat now. Now he has got the target of getting 50 runs in just 3 overs, and he's now all prepared with it. Come on, let's. Very. Come on now, Mr. Abhirang Gupta is getting ready, and he's batting down the pitch, and now he's ready to get the 50 runs in 3 overs. Come on, man, come on, get up it. Let your fans have some fun. Shorty! Yeah! Good. Yeah! Wow, that's a 6 man. 4. अरे मसा इंटर मनोडू Now the bowler is staring at the batsman, but it's a wide ball. Now the batsman is ready. He's now prepared to get one more 6 now. Let's see this. And it's a good ball, but he played it well though. Batsman is very eager on the ball. He's watching it on screen, and yay! That's a missed shot. Mama, you got a single. Come on now. Come on, keep up the strike, man. రెడీగా లేడు That's a good shot, man. Shot. Super, mama. అరే ఇర గుమ్ముతున్నాడు రా నాకు గుర్తున్నాయి బ్రదర్ మామా యు ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ సూపర్ మామా షాట్ రా అరే 4 లవ్లీ మామా లవ్లీ Osh! Bye-bye, sixer. Shot raw. Shorty! Mama, please see the cam and wave the bat now. అరే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎన్ని కొట్టావురా సారీ 6 4 ఖచ్చితంగా చాడు మామ సరే ఫేస్ చూపి great game, Amma. You made good, very good runs. अरे जडेजा ఇంకసారి lovely